We are on XScream, the drop tower at Waldameer, and this is the adventure spot. And I do scream, so maybe turn down the volume.
Becky's getting over her fears of drop towers.
Yeah, I don't know if you could hear that, but Jonathan just said I'm getting over my fears of drop towers. Whew. I haven't even seen this one in motion, so I don't know how XScream it is. But here we go, gonna find out. Oh, I had wanted to sit on the other side because you could see the lake, but this is what they had available. But the lake is that way. But we've got some good views of the park. You've got the I can't even think, I'm just trying to talk while I'm going up this thing. There's the ride, and there's the skylift thingy, and the spinny Ferris wheel, and there's the lake, and you know, some of the water park. And okay, can we just drop now and get it over with, because we're awfully high. Ooh, that's a lot of lake. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm ready to drop. I'm past ready to drop. Oh crap. Thanks for watching.
I always scream.
I can't get out. Get me out.